What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send or transfer money from PayPal to your Revolut account. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first off, you will just need to open your PayPal account, and here on your PayPal homepage, just go over to the menu right here. Now on the menu you would need to select the wallet option under the Manage Finances tab. Now here you would be able to see all the cards or transfer methods that you have connected to PayPal. Now on other tutorials related to this, people suggest that you connect directly your Revolut account to PayPal, but that's only available in certain countries. So the way that we can go around this is by connecting a Revolut card to our PayPal account. So as you can see here, I have my Revolut card already connected, but you can connect any Revolut card that's on your account. So I can connect my physical card and my digital virtual card, which everyone has for free on their Revolut account. So you don't have to have a physical card for this to work. Now just go ahead and click on Add New right here and go ahead and select the debit card details. Now you can either scan your card or enter the details manually. So what I did, I just scanned my card because I have a physical card. But if you want to connect your Revolut virtual card, you can just input the data manually. So it's pretty straightforward, and after you do this, you will have your Revolut card right here, as you can see. So after you connected your Revolut card to your PayPal account, you can go ahead and exit the screen and go over to the Transfer Balance tab, right here, the second option. Now here you can see all your connected methods that you have connected to PayPal, so let's go ahead and select our Revolut Visa card. Now here are some details about the transfer, so if that looks good to you, you can just go ahead and tap on Next. Now let's input, for example, 10 euros that we want to transfer to our Revolut account. Now after you input the amount, just go ahead and tap on Next. So here is again some info about the transaction, so all you would need to do right now is just go ahead and tap on Transfer the amount right here. And there we go. So the transfer has now been initiated, and as you can see, it was just completed for the Revolut app. So just go ahead and tap on Done. And if I go to my homepage, here you will be able to see this transfer right here. And that's, guys, how you can transfer money directly from your PayPal account to your Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.